Okay, hello, I'm Nadine. Hannah's not here because I'm not in state, so I'm out of town. Anyway, I'm visiting my mom in, California. Anyway, this is my grandpa's house. Plants. A lovely picture over here. I like that picture. I want to draw it, but eagle. I was obsessed with eagles. TV. Watching Bernardus. Should be my brother when we were little. I can't believe he says it. Eagle. Tigers. Eagle. This small place. Here's Wyatt. Wyatt, boy. Hi. Wyatt's a good puppy. Anyway, Wyatt's my mom's dog. So, I get these for my birthday. Beautiful. Taking this one home this time. This one next time. And that one next. I take this one the first time. Eagle again. Excuse me, Wyatt. The small little dining area. 4 people are supposed to be eating right here. Yeah, not happening. And the itty bitty kitchen. It's tiny. My mom. Mom, say hi.
Hi.
Poor mom's sick.
I love you.
Love you too. Oh, it's dark. Bathroom. Number 2. The second bathroom. Dang, it's dark in there. That's my brother's room. I see the entire house. Hi, Hannah. No. Me and Hannah will be doing shows and having all this stuff, more videos and stuff, as soon as I get back town. Anyway, I'm the only one with a camera. What? Okay. I haven't thought right now.